Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can edit any screenshots like this. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So open your browser and head over to uizar.io. Click on login. Click on the new blank project. Here you can also use their other features, but today we are looking to edit our screenshot. For this, click on Magic. Click on the screenshot scanner and upload your screenshot. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can edit everything to your liking. Once you are happy with it, click on the image. Click on export to save it on your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.